Hello everyone, hope you all are fine, and today we will do part 10 of chapter 1, and this will be our last topic of chapter 1, that is simplification of numerical expression involving bracket. So all of you know about the simplification of numerical expression. Of course, you know because you have done this chapter, simplification of numerical expression, in class 5th. So, first we will recall that one. So, simplification of numerical expression. So, what is numerical expression? So, numerical expression is the mathematical expression in which two or more than two operations occur. So simplification is to solve. Simplification of numerical expression means to solve a mathematical expression in which two or more than two operations occurs. And you all remember the rule which is used to simplify and simplify a numerical expression. So what was the rule? The rule to solve numerical expression was क्या था? That was D mass. D mass. D refers to division. M for multiplication. A for addition. And S for subtraction. It means to solve a numerical expression, you follow this rule. In numerical expression, there are more than two symbols. So, if you want to solve the numerical expression, first you have to solve the operation division, after that multiplication, after that addition, and after that subtraction. You all know it very well. Let me do an examples. That is 17 multiplied by 3 plus 81 divided by 9 minus 60. It is just recapitulation of our previous concept. According to this rule, the first operation will be division. So we will solve the division here. 81 divided by 9 is equal to 9, and rest of the expression is written as it is. So 17 multiplied by 3 plus, and 81 divided by 9 is equal to 9, and minus 60 is written as it is. Now there is no division sign, and the next operation will be, after that division there will be multiplication. So we will solve operation multiplication. Here 17 multiplied by 3. So 17 multiplied by 3 is equal to 51, and rest of the expression written as it is. Now division is solved, multiplication is solved. Now the next operation will be addition. So 51 added to 51 and added 9 is equal to 60, and rest of the expression is minus 60, and at last 60 minus 60 is equal to 0. So this was the rule, this was the concept to solve the numerical expression. Now in class 6 there was a numerical expression including brackets. Now the today's topic is simplification of numerical expression involving bracket. In the new expressions there will be bracket also. So let's introduce the bracket. So commonly we have we use three types of bracket. One is a round bracket, second one is curly bracket, and third is square bracket. First, that is round bracket. It is also called curve bracket, and it is curly bracket, and it is written as make a curl. Okay, and this is known as curly bracket, and this is square bracket and also known as big bracket. In writing, mathematical expression consist of more than one bracket. A round bracket is used in innermost. The round bracket is used in innermost means ये सबसे अंदर लिखी जाती है expression की. And part followed by curly bracket, and these two are covered by square bracket. It means innermost सबसे अंदर पहले हम राउंड ब्रैकेट को लिखेंगे, उसके बाहर जो होगी वो कर्ली ब्रैकेट होगी, और सबसे बाहर जो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट है उसको लिखा जाता है. तो मैंने यहाँ पर एक एग्जांपल लिखी है 20 माइनस 3 माइनस हियर दिस इज स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. 7 minus 2, 7 minus, now it's curly bracket. 2 plus, it is round bracket. 4 minus 3, now round bracket closed, curly bracket closed, and square bracket is also closed. So in this expression the brackets are also introduced. So we first perform the operation within the राउंड ब्रैकेट. तो सबसे पहले हम जो राउंड ब्रैकेट में ऑपरेशन है उसको सॉल्व करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट वी विल सॉल्व द ऑपरेशन विद इन द कर्ली ब्रैकेट. फिर कर्ली ब्रैकेट के ऑपरेशन को सॉल्व किया जाएगा. एट लास्ट वी परफॉर्म द ऑपरेशन विद इन द स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. ओके, वी विल डू दिस एग्जाम्पल. बिफोर दिस we will solve an simple example, that is 25 plus 14 divided by round bracket 5 minus 3. So what is the complete rule to simplify the numerical expression? First, that was demass when there was no bracket introduced, but now we have brackets, so the complete rule will be board mass. BODMAS, board mass. Demass, that is same. Now new letters are B and O, and B refers to brackets and O refers to off. Off are the special operation that may be percent off, square off, and fraction off. So off is the special operation. So after bracket we will solve the operation off. Off is written as OF. When OF off is written, we will solve it first, and after that follow the rule of Demass. Okay. So here in this example first, 25 plus 14 divide by 5 minus 3. It is very simple, and we will follow the rule simple to complex. हम पहले simple करेंगे, उसके बाद complex पर जाएंगे. तो here the bracket is given, so we will follow the rule board mass. Okay, so first we will solve the bracket. In bracket, what is the operation? That is subtraction. 5 minus 3, we will solve 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. So 25, and rest of the expression is written as it is, and this solution of the bracket is followed by the operation that is outside the bracket, and outside the bracket there is operation division, and when we get the solution of this operation, the bracket will be removed. Bracket will not be written. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and 2 is written without the bracket. Now there are two symbols. First is addition and then division. So according to rule, we will solve the operation division. So 14 divided by 2, that is 7, and rest of the expression is written as it is. 40 divided by 2, 7, and at last 25 plus 7 is equal to 32. So 32 is the solution of this expression. Now the next one example involving two brackets. One is curve bracket and other is square bracket. So curve bracket is written innermost, and we will solve the innermost bracket first. In curve bracket, again there are two operations, one is multiplication and other is division, and in these two we have to solve division first because this is the rule of simplification. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, and other one is followed by the rest of the expression, that is 36 minus 12 plus 3 multiply, and 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. The bracket will not be open because we have not get the solution of the whole expression. Now bracket is written as it is. Now 3 multiply by 5, 36 minus 12, 3 multiply by 5 is equal to 50. Now we get complete solution of this expression inside the bracket. So 12 plus 15 is 36 minus 12 plus 15 is equal to 27, and 27 is written without bracket because we get the solution of this bracket, and it is followed by the operation outside the bracket, 36 minus 27. Now 36 minus 27 is equal to 3. Okay. There is one more example, that is 22 minus 1 upon 4, curly bracket 16 minus 8 divided by 4 plus 2 curve brackets closed, and then curly bracket also closed. Same, this is the sum like example 2, but in this there is one concept which I will tell you. 22 we will solve curve bracket first, and in curve bracket there are two operations, division and addition, and division will be solved firstly. So 22 minus 1 upon 4 bracket 16 minus 8 divided by 4 is 2, and plus 2 is written as it is. Now 22 minus 1 upon 4 is bracket 16 minus 2 plus 2 is 4, and bracket closed. 22 minus 1 upon 4, 16 minus 4, that is equal to 12. And what is the sign followed by this? This was the concept which is in this question. What is the operation followed by this bracket? There is no sign. So if there is no sign before the bracket and number, and the between the bracket and the number there will be the sign of multiplication. So it means this bracket is followed by the operation multiplication. So there is sign of multiply, and it is 12. 16 minus 4 is 12. Now we will solve multiplication first, and here 1 upon 4 multiply by 12, and 12 is cancelled by 4. 4 3s are 12, and 22 minus 3, and it is equal to 19. So 19 is the solution of this expression. At last we will solve the example I have written first, that is 20 minus 3 minus 7 minus curly bracket 2 plus curve bracket 4 minus 3, and closed all the bracket. According to rule, firstly we will solve the innermost bracket, that is 4 minus 3, and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, and rest of the expression is followed by as it is. 20 minus 3 minus 7 minus 2 and plus 1. This bracket will be opened, removed. Now we will solve the curly bracket. 20 minus 3 minus 7, and there is operation of addition. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and it is followed by minus 3, and bracket is also removed. Now the last bracket, that is square bracket, 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Now they both the signs are subtraction. So first we subtract 3 minus 3 from 20. So 20 minus 3 is equal to 17, and 17 minus 4 is equal to 20 minus 3 is equal to 17, and 17 minus 4 is equal to 13. This was the last example, and in next worksheet again, worksheet 9, total questions are 8, and all the expressions, numerical expression which you have to solve. So thank you.